Hi family, welcome to a new video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, and today we are making French toast. But first, are you subscribed?
If you're not subscribed, what are you doing?
We'll wait.
Are you done yet? You should be done.
Welcome to the family! But if you're wondering why my aunt's not here,
Well, we kind of kicked her out the kitchen because we needed to prove to her that we can cook too. So today we are going to be making French toast.
and so we're gonna start with our ingredients.
So the ingredients you will need are 6 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use any type of sugar. 1½ cup of heavy cream, and 12 slices of French brioche bread.
We're gonna start by mixing the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna start by just whisking my eggs. Okay, next I'm gonna add in the vanilla. And then I'm going to slowly add in the heavy cream. Now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. I'm going to start with the nutmeg. And then I'm going to add in the cinnamon. I'm gonna add in my brown sugar. Make sure all your ingredients are well incorporated. Now we're gonna go ahead to add our bread into our mixture. So you're just gonna take your bread.
But before you do that, make sure that you have a griddle or something you will use to toast/fry the bread. I am going to be using some avocado oil to spray onto my griddle.
Just take your bread, you dip it in, and then you flip it. And that's it, because the bread is very soft, so you don't want to leave it in for too long or it can break. You'll then proceed to put your bread onto the griddle. And then you go ahead to continue to dip your bread.
Our griddle is large enough to take 8 slices of bread at a time. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to now proceed to flip over my slice of bread. Gosh, that golden color looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it. Look at that. Wow. Smells nice too. I personally like my bread dry, so I'm going to press it with my spatula so that everything can toast accordingly. Nice and crispy and brown.
Thank you so much, family, for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video by my nieces. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. See you next week. God bless you.